Hello, CAS reps. All right, I'm going to show you now what you need to make a video to teach everyone else how to do. Otherwise, I could just teach everyone using a video just like this, but I just think it's kind of boring. But I could just do this really concisely if you think it's better. But I'd rather we had something kind of fun. So here's how it works. As I'm going to use you as my test case, you'll need a test case. Oh, I already tried to make one for you, but I'm going to make another one, and then I'll delete this one. Okay, so here's what happens. You go into your service as action tab in ManageBack, SA. So you have to log into ManageBack and then go to SA. And then you're going to find, all students need to find add SA activity, SA meaning service as action. It might be down here, it might be in the top right hand corner, you'll see on your screen, but you're going to find that, click into it to log an hour. Then you're going to come up with the service activity you're going to do. So what's a nice service activity we're going to do? Why don't we say parent teacher interview volunteering? So many people do that, so we'll choose it. Location, is it in school or out of school? Well, that one is in school, so they're going to click on that. Then they're going to click the number of hours they're going to go with. So if they're doing parent-teacher interviews, they're probably choosing a shift. Maybe it's a 4-hour shift. They're going to enter 4 hours. Look at that. Then they're going to choose the date. When are those? I think they're the 6th and 7th. So it starts on November 6th and it ends on November 6th. Their supervisor name is probably Miss McDonald, but let's make it Mr. Williams for now so that I get the email from this made-up thing, not Miss McDonald. Okay, they don't need a contact number. Description and goals, I just want them to describe what it is. They just need to say, I will help parents sign in and find the right teacher at parent-teacher interviews. Sentence will do it. Select your targeted learning outcome. You just need to choose one of these. Just choose one. So a good one here is probably learning a new skill or challenging myself. It could be initiative, could be working with others, could be raising awareness or increasing your awareness of issues. Any of these will do. I don't need this information filled out in a really meaningful way beyond just the organization. So if the organization's Branksome Hall, great. If it's something else, I want that written down. I don't need an activity aim. Not necessary. You've already written a description and goals. You don't need activity aim. Okay? So once all that is filled out, click on Add SA Activity, and there it is. That's step one. Now, you need to see these little icons and learn what they do. So the yellow clock means waiting for advisor approval. Okay, waiting for advisor approval. The blue thumbs up means the advisor has approved it. So after you've entered something, your advisor actually needs to go into it and approve it. So if I were you, I can do it for anyone, and so can your advisor. They will click on this. Students don't need to know how to do that. They need to know that to get the blue thumbs up, the advisor has to go in and approve it. Okay? Once that is done, they then need the supervisor to review it. So you should have a button that allows you to send away for supervisor review. It'll be over here. Yeah. What might happen, and I need you to check this because I'm not positive, you might be required to write a reflection in order to get a supervisor review. So if you're required to do that, then I want you to write something. Then you'll have to demonstrate for everyone how to write a reflection. For me, if you need a reflection, all I need is a few sentences. Okay? So the reflection speaks to the outcome and says something like, I learned how to sign people in and out and practiced communicating clear instructions to parents. Okay, now I've written a reflection that says what I did. I am happy with that. And you should then be able to send away for supervisor review. My button says complete supervisor review because I'm a supervisor. That's what it says on my screen, but yours will say send for supervisor review. If you get the button send for supervisor review without actually writing reflection and evidence, then you can skip the reflection and evidence part. Okay? But you need to test that, the three of you. If it lets you send it away without writing the reflection, that's cool with me. If it makes you write the reflection, then you need to show everyone that they need to write a reflection. Okay? Finally, I send for supervisor review. Once you've sent for the supervisor review, your supervisor will get an email, and then they'll be able to mark your experience completed. And only then, when you have a green check mark, do these 4 hours actually get logged. Everyone needs 40 hours to graduate high school, and everyone needs hours in order to get high honors, right? They need 7 service hours in grade 9, and they need 15 service hours in grade 10 in order to get high honors. That's what this ManageBac logging is for. It is separate from Duke of Ed. Now, you are allowed to log something for Duke of Ed and ManageBac. That is fine. You can absolutely do both. But what everyone needs to understand is that if you do something for Duke of Ed, but you don't log it in ManageBac, then it doesn't count toward your high honors and it doesn't count toward your Ontario diploma. So you need to enter it into ManageBac as well. You need to show everyone how to do that in a video of some kind. Okay? Please let me know if you have any questions about the details that need to be included in the video. And if you need any help actually making the video, or if you think this is a too difficult task. But anything you can do to support this, I would really, really appreciate. By the way, the program I used to make this is Screencast-O-Matic. It's free, Screencast-O-Matic. I don't know if that's useful to you. Okay, that's it. Thank you.